babies, good morning. So yeah, today's Thursday, and obviously I've been beading since this morning. Actually, it's only 9. Yeah, and guess what? I went shopping online on Amazon again because I tried to check out some beaded stuff and tools that I needed for the accessories that I'll be making. And yeah, unfortunately, I check out some again. Look at my baby hairs. So yeah. I always tell myself that I have to finish my beads first before purchasing a new one and stuff like that. But I ended up just keep buying and buying and buying and not making. But I made this one. This is so pretty. It's just very simple. So yeah, it's just dangling and it's light. It's not heavy. Yeah, anyway, I don't know. I look weird. I look dry. I look sick. But I'm feeling better, a lot better than yesterday. We're recovering slowly. And I'm gonna eat arroz caldo. I already heat this up. There. It's already dried. I did not add more water, but it's fine. It's like eating biko because it's the consistent is like, what do you call that? Sticky rice. But I use regular white rice. But yeah, let's eat. So I can drink cold medicine. So yeah, let's eat. I'm using this one because I don't want to wash the dishes. I mean, I'm gonna throw this one because there's a crack. So I decided to just use this one for now. And I'm going to the beaded table. Let's eat. Baby girl eat some already. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat a lot for myself to recover quickly. Because I don't know how long will it take me to have this flu. We're watching Trolls. I'm taking a break from beading because this part of my back hurts. Well, it's always this part when I'm doing some crafts or yeah, I don't know. Maybe I stayed that way too long. Yeah, anyway, I cried because I'm watching a series at the same time while I'm beading and the character touched me so bad. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It is so painful. Let's have coffee. I have here Nescafe. Yeah. This is the only cup of coffee I can find. I've been doing grocery for the past few days and I cannot find my Kopiko online. So maybe I will check that in Carrefour when I have the time to go. And I'm eating Oreo. So yeah, let's have some snack. En français, we call it goûter. Snack time. After lunch, there's snack or encas in case you are hungry. Wait lang. Okay. Sometimes in between what I'm doing or if I'm busy, like for example washing the dishes, I recall in my mind French words and phrases that I can recall as much as possible, even though I don't get to speak them or use them. From time to time I try to recall them, like for example drinking coffee, like that, what, cafe, or just the basic, anything that I can remember, especially when I'm driving like this. I saw a beautiful building, I compliment it like crazy. So yeah, sometimes I'm really mixing French. That's why I have to post what I'm saying when I'm vlogging. And yeah, I have to delete and redo it again. Look at my skin, it is so dry. Anyway, let's have coffee. Cheers. Hi babies. So update again. I have been so busy, but yeah. Baby girl did not sleep. So we are bothered with her grumpiness. And baby boy went outside with her. So yeah, I'm just cooking pasta quickly. It's almost 5. No, it's 5 something already. And yeah, I think it's dark outside, but they are playing there just to change baby girl's mood. And I'm just cooking the pasta for her to eat before she sleeps. Let's go and check them out. So yeah, it's already dark. I mean, still bright from... Let me open this. Oh, it's still bright. There. The pool is upside down. I still did not disassemble it, but one of these days, it's still wet. And baby boy is laying down there. And baby girl is playing with him. Kids. Okay. I will call them when the pasta is ready. Hi, you're so sweet. You're so cute together. I was not yet able to upload or edit any Vlogmas because my phone is always full. I don't know. Maybe I will just erase the videos that I made. The Vlogmas videos. I'm planning to put it on TikTok, but I still have an edited video from there. This part of my back hurts like this. So Good thing I have this Tiger Balm that I replaced with the Vicks Vapora. And it's working. It's not bad. I feel weird having earrings, but I have to get used to it. It's pretty though. There we go. The pasta is almost ready. Our baby is only 7 and we finished eating. And baby girl is already sleeping as well. The baby boy is not yet. He is still playing in the laptop. So yeah, my Amazon delivery just arrived, the one I ordered this morning. And we'll check what's inside. I just have to complete the 100 dirhams so that it will be delivered the same day. So I just bought random stuff. But I only need one thing. But I have to have it delivered immediately. Because I cannot wait for next day delivery. Okay, I got this because I'm running out of letter A and they don't what do you call that, sell letter A only. There is, but it is like to be exported. It will arrive December 26 something, and it's already past the fair, the bazaar. So I just took one set of it. At least I have few letter A's, which I really hate because it's always the X, the F, the K. The other letters are just wasted because I have a lot more. Look at me. Hopefully there's a lot of letter A. Next is I got 2mm beadstock, the colorful ones. I don't really need it, but it's okay to restock. So it looks like that. The colors are not bad, but they're tiny. They're so cute. Then I got this one. This is my favorite cleaner, Mr. Muscle Oven Cleaner. It's not just for the oven, but and the ceramic, the one in the toilet bowl is like that. It cleans so fast, and I really like that. And that's it. I think I got something. Oh, one thing is missing, the one for the glasses. That's the reason why I ordered, but it's not here. Maybe it will be delivered tomorrow. Oh, that is too much. The things that I don't really need, I just added them when it's delivered. But yeah, this one is important to me. I'm gonna use this now. I need to clean the oven as well. Okay, so I already spray and I wait for 20 to 30 minutes before I wipe it off. So yeah, it smells really bad, but this works perfectly. I mean, among all the oven cleaners that I use, I prefer this one, Mr. Muscle. I'm sorting them out and this is the only A that I got. And see, it will finish quickly. Most people here have A in their names, and like double A, like Farah, Sarah, like that, Asma. So yeah, I always have extra letters that are useless. Okay, I am busy right now with the beaded stuff, and Amazon called me. They will deliver the other one. So I'm surprised because it's already almost 8. It's my first time to receive delivery from Amazon after 6 p.m. like that. Or it's late, I mean, maybe they deliver until night. I don't know what time. But yeah, there's one thing that is missing from my order. I thought it's gonna arrive tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see. My baby is still here. I'm gonna ask him to go down and get it. Sorting time. I'm almost done. I feel numb here. Okay, I got it. This is the one that I ordered. Because some people are asking also for connector to the glasses. Okay, I was not able to show you the before, but look at that, the after. So I have here a damp cloth. I'm using plastic gloves because I cannot find the rubber one. So yeah, just wipe it off like that, and it's working like new. Ta-da! Look at that. Ew. Okay, I'm done cleaning the oven, but I'm not satisfied because there are hard stains that was not removed. So I decided to just clean the overall, not just, you know, like the one you see, but I have to deep clean on the inside. So what I'm going to do is spray again the areas where there are still dirt, and I'm gonna leave it overnight. I removed these pieces on the side and also the, what do you call that, the rim, something like that. So yeah, these are the deep stains that cannot be removed. I mean, it might be, but it has to stay longer than 30 minutes. So yeah, there are also some here that I needed to clean, and let's see overnight if it's fine. And I don't know, for me it just smells bad, so I don't know if I will leave it overnight. By the way, I turn it off there in the socket because it's dangerous. I mean, this product is not safe. Also the smell, and yeah, it's just worst, but it helps a lot. Especially I bake a lot and I spill a lot of food here sometimes. So yeah, my oven is always dirty. Anyway, I'm gonna do it and I'll show you after. When you're using Mr. Muscle oven cleaner, you have to wear gloves and cover your nose if you have a mask like that, because it really stinks to the point that when it goes to the eyes, it's bad. It's just bad. But yeah, I'll just do it quickly and then close.